Welcome to our video. I'm going to tell you how to make money with TranscribeMe in 2025. First, go to transcribeme.com and sign up for a free account, then apply to join their transcription program. You'll need to take a short entrance test that checks your grammar and attention to detail. Just follow their style guide and you'll pass. Once approved, you'll get small audio clips to transcribe, usually under 2 minutes, which makes it less overwhelming. You get paid per audio minute, and while the base rate isn't crazy high, it's consistent and can increase as you move up to specialized projects. The best part is, you don't need prior experience, just a stable internet connection, good headphones, and focus. It's a flexible side hustle you can do from anywhere, and it's perfect for building up online income in 2025. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe for more useful videos.